Geisinger Pharmacy Portal helps keep it simple by helping you to manage your prescriptions online or through the Geisinger Pharmacy mobile app. With the Geisinger Pharmacy Portal, you can easily transfer your prescriptions to Geisinger Pharmacy, request refills, set up reminders so you don't forget to refill your prescription, get notified when your prescription is ready, arrange free delivery or no-contact curbside pickup, sign up for a 90-day supply of your medication through our mail-order pharmacy if you're a Geisinger Health Plan member, and find a Geisinger Pharmacy near you. To sign up for the portal via the web, visit go.geisinger.org/RX or download the Geisinger Pharmacy app by going to your app store and selecting Geisinger Pharmacy. You can sign in using existing My Geisinger or GHP member portal account information. If you don't already have one of these accounts, you will create a new one. All you need handy is a current prescription number. You will enter the first 7 digits. Click Sign In to use your My Geisinger or GHP username and password, or create an account. You will need to enter your email, first name, last name, date of birth, zip code, and the prescription RX number. Whether you created a new account or you're using your existing My Geisinger or GHP member portal, you will be emailed a confirmation code, and then you have 15 minutes to complete the form. You need to enter the confirmation code from the email you just received. Then, either using your My Geisinger or GHP portal username and password, or the new account information you just created, choose a security question and answer. Now you will need to link your account to your Geisinger prescriptions. All customers must complete this step before signing into the portal. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, zip code, first 7 digits of a Geisinger Pharmacy prescription, email, and phone number. After you have linked your account to the pharmacy, you will be in the portal, and your screen should look similar to this, showing your medications. Please review the introduction and highlights video for a tutorial on how to use the portal.